Hey guys, today, let's learn how to change the iPhone inverted camera. So if you guys keep on taking a video on your iPhone devices, but the camera is inverted, or you'd like to go ahead and just invert the camera altogether on your current settings, what we need to do in order for us to do this is to hop on the Settings application and scroll down to the Camera application. So just tap on your Camera application. And then, what I want you to do is to tap on this option, located right here to mirror view the front camera. Now once this is actually turned on, it will mirror the front camera. So if you don't really want this turned on, just basically turn this option off to not mirror them. And vice versa as well, if you want to turn this on. Now just play around with that setting and see which one works best for you. And that's all for this video. Thank you boys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.